Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw ad revenue using AdSense PIN verification, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your ad revenue from Google AdSense, you need to complete the PIN verification process. First, ensure that your AdSense account has reached the payment threshold. This is typically set at $100, Next, log into your AdSense account using your Google credentials. Once logged in, locate the notifications area on your dashboard. If you see a notification about verifying your address, you will need to proceed with the PIN verification. Google will mail a personal identification number, or PIN, to your registered address. This usually takes around 2 to 4 weeks, so be patient during this time. Once you receive your PIN in the mail, log back into your AdSense account. Navigate to the Accounts section on your dashboard. Find the option that states Verify your address. Enter the PIN exactly as it appears in the postcard. Ensure that there are no typos when you input the number. After entering the PIN, click the Submit button. Once your PIN is verified, your account will be fully functional. You can now withdraw your earnings when you meet the withdrawal criteria. Select the payment option you prefer, such as bank transfer. Complete any additional information required for your chosen payment method. Finally, confirm your payment details and initiate the withdrawal. This will allow you to receive your ad revenue efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.